Hello everyone, this is Pramila Rao and welcome to this course of Android. In last video, we have created Google Map activity. So in this video, we will add more categories for different type of restaurants. And this is Google Map, okay? And its by default marker is at Sydney. Whenever you will create a new activity for Google Map, it will by default show a marker at Sydney, okay? So see, this is the Google Map API which I have created, okay? So I will let you know how to create this Google Map API. This is a very simple process, not a big task. Before that we have to add uh, Chinese restaurant types, Indian restaurant types, and Greek restaurant types, okay? So as we have already added restaurants for Italian foods, so here let's increase the text size of buttons and similar, no, it's too much large. And you know how to as it's in small letters, okay? It's small and caps both, but it's showing all the letters in all the capital letters. So okay, so how to set the text you are writing, okay? uh, False. Okay, now it's showing what you written here. It's now case sensitive. Okay, now copy this thing and copy these two lines and paste for all buttons. Let's change its color because I don't like this color. So okay, this one is better. But why it's looking like blur? It's all blur. Okay, so now we will create category for Chinese restaurants. Okay, so we'll open the browser and one new thing I have done myself is that we have created a separate method for adding restaurant address and name, and separate method to add that restaurant to create adapter and add adapter inside Lexview. So it's now the code is concise. So you can see we have added three restaurant types in only three number of lines. So now oh shit, so how to do this? It's not working. Okay, now let's take this one, okay, and copy its name and similar for all four restaurants and get the key from here and paste here. So this is for Chinese restaurant, okay? So copy the restaurant name and paste here, okay? And its address, you can directly get this one, okay? Let's take this one and paste it here, and our address, remove this, paste here, okay? And the third one, let's take this one and paste here, and its address, and paste it here, right? let's remove these for now. Okay, so these three are restaurant Chinese restaurant types, so you have to create. Okay, here the address. We are going to do one thing, paste it here. Okay, and the last restaurant. Okay, now get one more. Let's take this one, copy this and paste it here. Here should be here. And what's its address and paste here. Okay, so now the third type of restaurant is Greek, and where is it? It's here. So we will add just one for Greek, and the okay Greek. This, and this address is this. And similarly, let's add two for the last restaurant. If categories was paste. Okay, copy this one. Please copy this one. For name, paste it here. Here. This using this model class, we are able to add values inside array list. And where is the array list? Array list is this one. This is our array list. Okay, so we are adding values inside this model class, and after that we are add values one by one inside list, because list can. Okay, so yeah, let's add a new another restaurant, and its address here. Okay, now let's run this, and we have added this method after adding restaurants types restaurants. Okay, now after at the end we are adding adapter in list view. We are adding that array list inside adapter, and then the adapter object inside list view. So doing this, we will be able to see category fresh type of restaurants. Okay, and yeah, so this way means a methods uh, for adding restaurant inside a model class. So it is these three lines to one line. Now let's open these three, these five, and one, right? So we have added restaurants for each category successfully. So in next video, what will we do? We will get API key for Google Map, as I have already I already get API key for Google Map, but I will show you how to get free API key in next video.